This NEC dual-axis servo motor control is a custom controller out of a CNC. This motor controls interfaces with the CNC controller and moves two-axis motors at the same time. This allows for rapid table positioning and is commonly found in a number of CNC systems. The only additional motor control is the spindle drive, which does not have any need for accuracy, just speed and torque control. Since this unit was out of a very complex system, we only had to test what we could and then verify with the customer for full operation, which it did fully work upon installation. Many times, ERD has to coordinate our repairs with our customers to get it perfectly right.